if you get a flat tire on your Mercedes printer, you want to open the door. So if you get a flat tire on your Mercedes printer, you want to open the door and come to the rear of the van, and you want to open both of the doors. And you want to get access to these square caps here. That one there. Using a screwdriver, you just pop this one out, and that reveals the 19 that holds on the spare tire. There's one this side, and there's one that side. Same concept. You just have to remove the cap. When you remove the cap, you use your wheel brace or your wheel spanner, and you undo these two, that one there and that one there. They're just 19s. I'll take you underneath and show you. When you undo that, it frees up this hook here, that one there. When you loosen it up about a quarter or to a half, when you loosen it up about halfway, then you can just push this up. You push this up and you push this one like so. And do the same for that side, and you drop this down. Drop that down, and then you can pull the spare wheel out, which I've already done. So I'll show you now how to jack up the rear and change the wheel. So I'm going to be doing the right side. The same applies for the left side. It's the exact same process. So we'll just go to the interior and remove the tools from there. So using a screwdriver or coin or anything similar, you just want to turn this. That pops out. Then using that, gently pull this cover off. This will reveal your jack and your tools that you need to change the spare tire. So take note of how it's put in place, how neatly it's set up. So take note how everything is organized here, so that when it comes time to putting all the tools back, you know exactly how to put everything so this cover goes back on easily. The tools are usually wrapped in plastic or paper just to stop them rattling about. This is your jack handle, and this is your screwdriver. You'll need this to remove the wheel cap off the rim. This is the spare hook. If you break down somewhere and you need to tow the vehicle, use this, but we don't need this today. And that should only be used by trained professionals, otherwise it can be very dangerous towing such a big vehicle. So when you're at the back of the rim, look for this notch here. If it doesn't have one, you can put your screwdriver in here and just pop it out. But if it's got one of these, you slot it in here and you just pull it out that way. Next, you want to come to the back and you want to locate this mount here. This is a specific mount designed by Mercedes to jack up the rear axle on either side, so the left or the right side. So we'll be jacking up from here. We have marked it pink so it's obvious for anyone, but this is where you'll find it. It's just 40 to 50 centimeters in front of the rear axle. You'll only find this on a van. When you get it halfway up there, you just saw the jack how it went up that far. You want to just loosen your wheel nuts, just loosen them a little bit so they come out easily when you jack it up. When you loosen the wheel nuts, then you can come here and continue going up. This is how you put the tire in. You slide it in. When you're finished with it,